on the acres at IIT Delhi with people from various cultural and academic backgrounds make the experience an enriching and dynamic experience. And you'll never ever enjoy that kind of experience in your life. You share corridors with some of the best minds in India and you share your meals, you celebrate the festivals together. The campus the campus is equipped with so many facilities in sports and cultural activities that you'll always feel running short of time. You name a sport, you name a art, there will be a club, there will be a facility available in IIT Delhi. So once you are in the campus, as an MBA student, always feel that you should have 48 hours instead of 24 hours just to enjoy all the campus life and explore the various nuances of campus.
One of the another reasons to join DMS ID Delhi is its amazing campus life. You get to have decent amount of time to pursue your non-academic interests. Be it any sports, cricket, football, basketball, lawn tennis, IIT Delhi has got amazing infrastructure to support each one of them. Secondly, the campus itself is located into the heart of the city. It has many food joints in it, and you can binge eat at any given point of time because the outlets remain open 24/7. So, if you want to have an amazing campus life like during your MBA school life, DMS IIT Delhi is a go-to place.
The lush green campus of IIT Delhi is a blessing. The positivity and creativity budding inside the campus at DMS IIT Delhi helps to explore much more than the academics. You get to interact with brilliant minds of this country in any domain, in academics, in sports, in the works of clubs and committees. You get to learn many more things. You name any sport and we have the facilities for that sport with an easy access for all the students. So yes, you can be assured of an overall development within the campus at DMS IIT Delhi.
My journey at DMS IIT Delhi has been a spectacular one. Being a first mover in an MBA, which is being pursued online, comes with its own challenges and highlights. From day one, our batch has had a unity which parallels that of years of knowing each other. Owing to our just perfect batch size and the great number of opportunities that exist in terms of case competitions and committees and so forth, the getting to know each other and bonding has been very organic. Being someone who keeps her video on during most lectures, I have developed a good rapport with our amazing faculty and love to participate in discussions with them. I also look forward to the unique opportunities that are provided to us in the form of leadership webinars, as there is just so much to be learned from the industry stalwarts. And last but not the least, I am beginning to understand the art of time management as not just a jargon but a way of life, because there is so much to do and just not enough time. I can safely say that MBA at DMS IIT Delhi has turned out to be everything and much more, and I am completely enjoying this journey.
The journey with DMS IIT Delhi, a journey full of learnings, friendships and lots of fun. Although it could have been better if we could have spent our final year at the campus. But nonetheless, the sort of interactions that we had with our faculty members at the campus and otherwise, and the diversity within the batches at DMS IIT Delhi has always helped me to learn lot many things and given me new perspectives of handling the situations. So yes, this journey was with lots of ups and downs, but at the end it is definitely a memorable one.
Dynamic, magical, soothing. DMS. Every day at DMS brings its own set of challenges, and every challenge brings its own set of learning opportunity, plethora of fun, and more importantly, an opportunity to apply your hard-earned skills. Learning the dynamics of management in the heart of India's capital is a truly a magical experience and soothingly a dream come true.
There are a lot of memories to cherish for me at DMS IIT Delhi. The first one will be in getting summer internship in the first semester of my college. The second will be attending one of the largest college festival of India, that is Rendezvous, and also the Parivartan, which is a flagship cultural annual fest of DMS IIT Delhi. The other will be handling lot of sports event at intra as well as inter college level, where I not only participated but also won few of them. The other will be late night discussion with my hostel mates and peer, which was quite a fun.
These 2 years at DMS IIT Delhi has given me many memories. But if I would have to recall few of them, then they would definitely be: first, the panel discussions which we used to have for every domain, in which we get to interact with industry experts from different corporates and get a real perspective of the working of the corporates. It was really a good and enriching experience. The second one is the Sports and Cultural Fest of DMS IT Delhi, that is Parivartan. In Parivartan, we used to interact with students from various B schools of our country and get to know their perspectives and their learnings. So yes, it was really a fun, learning and entertaining experience.
One, well, it's slightly difficult to name one. It could be understanding of myopia during Mahim sir's classes, or getting on the roads during Vignes's BRM course, or it could be just the listening to Harish sir's consultancy stories. It could be listening to Shankar Mahadevan's Beatles during Ondives, or it could be laughing out loudly during Kumar Varun's stand-up comedy during Parivartan. It could be publishing a first article on Inside IIM, or it could be capturing different shades of DMS in chill Delhi winter. It could also be the first YouTube video that I made recently. It could also be the interactions with school kids that I had during SSA.
Hectic days and sleepless nights. An MBA journey is incomplete without these parameters. Managing committee responsibilities along with the curriculum, case competitions, summer internship interviews, life projects. I think the accomplishment of doing everything simultaneously is the experience I'll be carrying forward with pride from DMS.
The best learnings from DMS IT Delhi. Apart from helping me to be able to cope up with the hectic MBA life, which has prepared me for the corporates, being part of one of the most prominent technical institutes of our country, the environment and faculties at DMS IT Delhi has always helped me to be aware of the recent happenings in the technical world and has inculcated a techno-managerial skill in me, which has indeed helped me to prepare for the forthcoming business scenarios as well.
If you have passion, the toughest and ugliest of trekking experiences could turn out to be most magical and memorable ones. Managing my time through assignments, lectures, live projects, committee work, and other managerial works was always a tough situation that I was in. But when I look back at my DMS journey, I look back how I catered to all those time management challenges, other challenges, and I still found a way to keep myself busy with my writings. DMS taught me it's important to manage your time and then manage some time to follow your passion.